Hello dear students. So I Rahul Mishra and today I will discuss an important polymer which is called as Teflon, and it is very important. So Teflon, what is Teflon? It is also called as PTFE. What is PTFE? It is called as polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene. So what is polytetrafluoroethylene? It is an addition polymer. It is an addition polymer. So it is a linear polymer also having high melting point, because linear polymer has high density in comparison to branched polymers, so they possess high density. Listen, next thing is these polymers are heat resistant and they are insulator of electricity. So listen here, what is the preparation of Teflon? So how will you prepare Teflon? So Teflon is called as PTFE. We all know that Teflon is called as PTFE. So what is PTFE? PTFE is polytetrafluoroethylene. So what is the monomer unit of PTFE? It is obtained by removing poly. It means polytetrafluoroethylene से poly को हटा दें तो हमको इसकी monomer unit मिल जाएगी. What is the monomer unit? It is tetrafluoroethylene. So we can see here, tetrafluoroethylene is the monomer unit of polytetrafluoroethylene. It means PTFE, the monomer unit of PTFE is TFE. So what is tetrafluoroethylene? We all know that ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2. So when all the hydrogen of ethylene get replaced by fluorine, all the 4 hydrogens of ethylene get replaced by fluorine, means capital F. So we will get tetrafluoroethylene. So when its N molecule is taken and after polymerization it will form polytetrafluoroethylene. So the use of this polymer is very common and we use it in our daily life, and it is used in making non-stick pans. It means इसको non-stick pan बनाने में यूज किया जाता. So listen, it is also used in making gaskets also. So non-stick pan की जो coating होती है, it is carried out by Teflon polymer. It is carried out by Teflon polymer. Now listen, next type, condensation polymer, and in this polymer we will study polyesters. So listen, we all know that acid plus alcohol generally give ester, and this reaction is called as esterification. So similarly, in case of polymerization, of polyester, listen, simple, we take an acid and second monomer is taken as alcohol. So acid plus alcohol will form ester. So listen, first polyester we will discuss terylene or Dacron. It is very important for your board exam. So terylene or Dacron, it is a polyester. We all know that ester means it contains COOR group. COOR group means that compound will be called as ester if it contains COOR group, or we can say if it contains COO linkage. COO linkage, then it is called as ester. So listen here, COO linkage, and it is attached with R group. It is attached with R group. So this group will be called as COOR. So this is called as ester. So listen here, the monomer unit of pteryline or dacron is ethylene glycol and terphthalic acid. This is the first monomer unit and this is the second monomer unit. So in case of ethylene glycol, its formula is very simple: CH2, single bond CH2, single bond OH and single bond OH. This is the formula of ethylene glycol. Now what is the phthalic acid? So when phenyl is attached by 2 COOH group, when phenyl group is attached by 2 COOH group, then this compound is called as terphthalic acid. So this is a type of condensation polymer. So we all know that there is removal of a small molecule H2O in this case. So listen, OH of glycol and H of acid will get removed. OH of glycol and H of acid will get removed and there will be removal of water. And listen, one H is removed from this corner and one OH will remove from this corner. So from one molecule of acid and alcohol, 2 H2O get removed, one H2O from here and other H2O from here. But when small n molecules are taken, then there will be removal of 2NH2O. And listen, there will be formation of, if this H is removed, then single bond O, single bond CH2. Now CH2 is attached with this oxygen, so single bond O, single bond CO, single bond CO, single bond phenyl, single bond phenyl, single bond CO, and then this OH will be removed, so single bond and whole of N. So listen here, we can say this is the formula of pteryline or dacron, and this is polyester and it is commonly used in our daily life and it is used in making in cloths and belts. So what is pteryline or dacron? It is polyester. So listen, this will be the repeating unit of polyester and it repeat how many times? Small n times. And listen, this polymer contain COOR group, so this is ester, and we all know ester is obtained by the reaction of acid and alcohol. Now next polyester is glyptal or alkyl resin. So there is only one change, terphthalic acid is replaced by phthalic acid. So terphthalic acid has COOH group at para positions, but in case of phthalic acid there are presence of COOH group at ortho positions. So this is 1, 2 position, it is ortho, but listen, 1,4 position is called as para. So in case of phthalic acid 1,2 position is taken, and similar reaction again occurs between phthalic acid and ethylene glycol and it will undergo condensation polymerization. So same 2NH2O will be removed and this polymer will be obtained, which is called as glyptal or alkyl resin, and it is used in making paint and building materials. It is used in making paint and building materials.